Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So this is Elraj here. I'm going to now show you how to import the downloaded Lightroom presets into the Adobe Lightroom Mobile App. So this procedure is same for both Android and iPhones. So first of all, I'll just show you how to download the preset files. So I have shared you the Google Drive link. Just go to the Google Drive link and there will be a zip file that you have to download into your storage. So the file will be downloaded. Now the file is downloaded. So what you have to do now is go to the file manager in your phone, storage and downloads. So sorting by date. So this is the file that you have downloaded, Lightroom Portrait Presets by Elraj Creations. So it is in zip format. All you have to do is unzip it. So now if you open this, all these are the Lightroom presets. I'll just show you how to import these presets now. Now open the Lightroom app on your phone. So this is the layout of the Lightroom app, and now I'm just going to import a photo for you to show how to use the presets. I'm going to import this photo which I have used as an example, and open the photo and scroll to the right. There is a tab called presets here, and go to this presets and click the three dots on the right corner here, and then press import presets. Now you just go to the downloads, and you would have already extracted the zip file, and the folder will be here, and these are all the presets. Now select all and then press select. All the 60 presets will be imported now, and these presets will be here, Portraits by Elraj Creations, and that's it. So all the 60 presets are available here, and you can now try the presets like this. So if you want to download these presets, I'm giving away these presets for a very nominal price of just 99 rupees. So contact me on Instagram by sending a direct message. I will share you the link and you can download the presets from there. That's it guys. So enjoy these presets, and please subscribe to my channel and let me know if you have any doubts in the comments. Thank you. Have a great day.